guys, Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville, and today I'm going to be telling you about a 2018 Scarab 195 ID. We've ordered this one specifically with the red gel coat, and something they've done for 2018 is they actually put this sea deck on the exterior, which kind of acts as a natural fender on the side of the boat when you're kind of maneuvering around the dock. Really neat feature. Really nice trailer. Scarab welds their trailers at the factory, fully welded. Come in right here on the swim platform, so we have the upgraded stereo system on this boat. With that, gives you the two transom speakers right here on the back. Gives you a stereo remote, so when you're swimming behind the boat, you have the ability to change the station, turn up the volume, whatever it may be. So looking through the boat, you notice we did this gray sea deck all the way throughout the interior cockpit. So in that cockpit, it's actually snap in, snap out sea deck, so that gives you the ability to clean the boat extremely easy. It does not get hot on your feet. It's very soft, and so it's something really pleasant to have on your boat. So coming inside, you notice this boat is equipped with the new Quiet Performance, which is new to Scarab for 2018. I'm going to revisit that here in just one second. So on the back, the 195 is known for its VersaLounge seating. So these two both flip back, which gives you a nice area to set up all of your water sports, or even just relax while you and the family swimming behind the boat. Coming through, we're not stepping on any upholstery, getting in and out. Really easy step down. You'll notice on this boat it has a true water sports tower, which means when the bimini is fully open, you get the full shade on the boat, and you have this higher tow point already ready to hook up, so you get the best of both worlds. We've ordered this one with the cognac interior, which again is new for this year's model. So really pretty interior, flows really well with the red exterior gel coat. So right here at the helm station, this one does have the digital dash, which is the medallion display. It's a great unit that will show you a visual representation of the boat, gives you representation of any light that's turned on, so you always know what's going on with your boat, and it does give you your ski settings. So you can go in, set 5 different ramps for your acceleration, set your digital speed, so it makes it to where whenever you're ready to go and ski or wakeboard or tube, whatever it may be, all you got to do is hit that throttle all the way down. That boat's going to get you right up to your desired speed, and you're going to be ready to roll. Makes boating really easy and fun. Coming up here to the bow, you'll notice it's a very deep bow, so whenever I sit inside, I really feel like I'm sitting inside the boat rather than on top, which is a great safety feature for children. You do have storage underneath all of these seats, so flipping up. Great spot for wallets, storage, and you notice it's all finished out fiberglass. Scarab does a solid stringer system throughout the whole design, so that's why when you lift up any seat, you do see a nice finished out fiberglass, which you don't see on a lot of models, so it's nice having that quality on the boat. And then even behind the dash right here, access under every seat, and so can never have too much storage on a boat, guys. But I'd love to tell you more about it. As I said, my name is Rylan Lindley here at MarineMax in Louisville, right off of 35. So if you have any questions, please call or email. I'd love to tell you more about the model, and thank you. Have a wonderful day.